basically a cloud-based software, a lead capture software that captures leads or emails, names, and definitely another tool. It's very important. Captures the voice, the audio message. So, and that audio message is directly sent to your email address, the declared email address that you on your account. You don't have to register a phone number, so basically it doesn't need any infrastructure at all, no recurring fees. You don't have to pay anything on the telco, basically provided for. So it's recorded in your website or your any online site like your blogs, your sales funnels, your lead pages. And not only that, there's no coding involved, so it's really quite fast. So and it's very effective on getting leads, not leads itself. So it's very easy. So you just have to implement this, get the code like this one. So this is the interface. So just get the code. Let's see, this is the main one. So you have three types of code. You have the inline widget, you have the pop-up widget, and the widget page. The inline widget is a button that you can actually use in the middle of or any part of the page. We will demo this quickly. The pop-up widget is more intrusive, so it's the one that you actually have a pop-up. So I guess I don't have to explain what a pop-up is. And the widget page is a just simple URL that you can share on your LinkedIn, on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, even text. And it's basically a small website. Like this one, I'll just show you the widget itself. It's better to do it. So let's modify it. So this is the basic one. This is basically your the button that you will use later on, the pop-up. So it can be the left, the middle, the right, any part of your website. It's more intrusive though, but it's also effective. And the page one, this is the one that you actually share as a basic URL. It's a mini website, it's a mini page. You can modify the picture, the photo, and the message here. So you can insert images or modify this text. So basically, you can create your own website or a lead page, lead capture itself. So you don't even have to have your own website. You can actually use this. So this one, I'll show you a sample. So this is the actual mini website or mini page that you can actually share and capture the lead. And apart from capturing the name, the email, you also capture the message, the audio message. So it's just easy as one, two, three. So record, listen, and send. That's it. So it's actually compatible with mobile devices, tablets, or any other device, and it's really quite effective, really very effective. And imagine you can actually hear the voice of the customer. So it's let's do a demo. Let's do this. Hello, one, two, three. How are you? One, two, three. Hope you can get back to me. I'm really very interested on your product, and this is my number: 888 Thank you very much. This is Harold. Bye bye. Okay, and then I type in email and the name and the email, and then send it. All right, it will upload the audio. Imagine it will upload the audio to the server. It's really quite fast, really fast. And the thing is, you don't have a capacity limitation. So basically, it uploads to it, and once you receive an email like this, so like this one, instantly here, let's. This is a very simple email that you will receive. So it's not really a spam. This very well formatted. So you'll be able to manage your uh, voicemails from here. And the good thing about it, you don't have to log in. You just have to click instantly, listen to voicemail instantly here. It will pop up on your message, and then so this is the voicemail that we have created earlier. All right, so that's it. So so that's the sample email that you will receive. Let's go back here to the inbox. All right, we have generated several messages before. So you'll have the name, the email address, the timestamp, and the audio message. So this is the one that we actually have used, the audio message, and then these are the information, and you can delete it. So basically, you can have as many voice messages as you want. So there's no capacity limit. That's a good thing about it, and you can store it. It's directly sent to your mailbox as well. So yeah, the audio and everything is uploaded, and the leads that the lead tab here. So all the leads are captured. You can email to all. You can actually send an email or export a CSV. So it's really up to you. You can actually do that. But imagine that the power of this cloud-based software. As of now, as we speak, there's nothing that's actually similar to it. Just imagine it's you have endless possibility. You can actually embed this to any website. It's compatible with your mobile. It's you really don't have to reformat anything because all the settings are very simple. We don't have to we really didn't complicate anything. So let's have a look on the implementation of the voicemail on the website. You've seen this one, the mini site. I'll show you the actual implementation. So this is the one that we actually have implemented. Let's do that again. This let's try to edit this. Okay. So you can see I have removed it. So let's get the code. So let's get the code from the widget. So we'll use the main voicemail, get the code. Okay, copy this one. Let's insert that code directly to this website using builder all as an example. Okay, paste it, apply. Alright, so this is it. And then save it. It's actually less than a minute. Let me just reformat it. Okay, should be in line. All right. Fine. Okay, so let's see the actual web page. All right, I'm just refreshing the page now and see. So it's really very fast to implement. Just copy, paste the code, and then put it here. Okay, so let's do a recording. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. Hope you can get back to me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, and then let's do. All right, send it. Okay, uploading the audio. Let's see if we got it. This is it. That's how you do it. So this is very implement, guys. All you have to do is copy paste, implement, and capture all the hot leads. Just imagine all the hot leads that you'll be able to capture. All right. Thank you very much for listening to this demo, and see you in the inside. Bye bye.